After opening your Amazon inventory, locate the product you want to send to Amazon. Click on the three dots next to the product and then scroll until you find the option that says Print Item Labels. Select it, and this will open a new page or tab. Here, you must enter how many units you plan to send. For example, if I intend to send 10 units, I simply type 10 in the box. After entering the quantity, choose the label format you want to use. You can choose from standard printing formats or thermal printing formats. Investing in a thermal label printer is extremely useful because it saves a significant amount of money over time. A thermal printer does not require ink, and it prints using heat on special thermal paper, making it very economical. In the long run, I strongly recommend switching to a thermal printer because it reduces printing costs compared to a standard printer, which most people already have at home. For this demonstration, let us assume that you are using a normal home printer. A standard printer is simply an ink or laser printer. In that case, choose the standard label format and use the sheet that contains 44 stickers. A 44 label sheet looks like this. You can purchase a pack of 100 A4 sheets, and each sheet includes 44 labels. Place the sheet into your standard printer and you can print your labels from there.